Hi, I'm Mary Beth,
And I'm Piper.
and today we have an Erin Condren unboxing to share with all of you. We don't know what's inside. Well, I have an idea of what's inside, but I haven't told Piper at all, and I don't know the details. I just know that there is a theme, and I'm hoping Piper will like it. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's get the knife. Okay, do you want to do it?
Sure.
All right. All right. And, oh, it's pretty. It's already like neatly packaged here. Hopefully you could see that.
There's a little sticker too.
Yeah, it says
Enjoy.
from Erin Condren. All right, go ahead. You can rip it if you want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. Ooh, oh, nice.
Ooh. Trolls themed.
Yes. Okay, let's get this plastic. Okay,
Cute.
very cute. So we start with,
There's a surprise mini plush Trolls tour.
and it looks like there's a reusable bag with that too.
It even has a little handle.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
Mhm.
Wait, is that the bag? I think?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Here, let's open it.
Yeah.
You pull. Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, I see.
Oh, it's a Ziploc bag.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And what did we get?
We got Puppy.
Cute.
Oh, it's so cute. It's like in the scrapbooks.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it is a scrapbook. And it comes with that is the reusable bag. I thought it was like a shopping bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cute.
That is cute.
So there's Poppy, there's Barb, there's a
Cute.
Cherub, Diamond, Trollex, Branch, Cooper, and Delta Dawn.
Okay, let's see what else we got. I'm
Okay.
gonna set this down here. Start with the top.
Twistable Crayons.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is all probably for younger girls, like this kit.
Yeah.
A Trolls pencil case.
And a matching planner.
Whoa, oh wait, there's stuff in there.
With?
Okay, so just a little something. Oh, this is the, like you always get a little surprise when you order from Erin Condren. So it's like a sticker and some little cards, inspirational cards. So that one says, "You're always worthy."
Well, that's fun.
Yeah. Okay, so let's look at this. So, because Erin Condren makes a few different planners. Okay, so this is the life planner with the hourly layout.
It
And,
has a ruler here.
oh yeah, nice. Okay, so it has the months. And then it looks like, so an hourly layout means, whoa. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is for the very detailed planner where you're planning out your whole day, hour by hour. Probably useful for like teachers or students that go to different classes and have like a really set schedule. Piper does not have a super set schedule with her school, but it's still pretty awesome. Like the details are pretty amazing.
Yeah, I like that.
What you do today can improve all your tomorrows.
Wait,
Okay.
is this the same brand that our calendar was?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a monthly calendar last year that had like inspirational sayings for every month, and it did look somewhat like this. Like it had kind of that same aesthetic to it. So there's sheets for notes,
Bunch of stickers.
contact. Oh yeah, the planner stickers.
Yeah, stickers are
nice.
always good.
Whoa. Okay,
That's a
so
lot of
there's like
stickers.
to do and little note ones and canceled.
Reschedule today, this week.
Ooh, celebrate, happy birthday.
Cupcakes, cakes.
Let's party. Oh, and then just once put
Just
more
little flags.
yes, flags. Oh, and
And
you
even
can
has all the Black History Month and like a bunch of
like
holidays.
observances. That's
Yeah.
what I didn't know that's what it was called, but okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay, International Women's Day. Do you know on the calendar that we got this year there was an International Men's Day put on there? I crossed it off.
Yeah.
Dad said that's because every day is International Men's Day.
Yeah.
So we don't need it. Oh, this is a
Perpetual calendar.
Perpetual calendar. Plan for tomorrow. Celebrate today. Oops, I got this. What is that?
It's a tiny calendar with a bunch of notes.
Oh, just like a planner.
Yeah.
So one for each day.
Yeah.
Or like a line for each day. So one page for each month. A line for each day of the month.
Yeah. And they can write like birthdays and stuff and like things that are happening that month.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Like a quick reference. Very nice. Okay, so this is the pencil case. We have, it's just so, it's like neoprene, that's scuba material. It's nice. Yeah. Thick, like durable. Ooh, so you can tuck your pencils in there. Like, oh. Ah. This is like an artist case. Isn't that nice? Yeah. That's pretty awesome. That's like a high quality pencil case.
Yep.
All right, put this over here. What's this one?
This one.
Another.
Oh. It's a notebook.
Ooh.
That's a big notebook.
That's like the nicest
and more
notebook.
Stickers.
Nice. Hold it over here. Yep. Let's show the cover.
It's very cute.
It is. So, oh, it has music notes on the back. Like a cute pattern. Yeah. That's fun. We could give this to Jazzy.
Yeah, she'd like it.
She's 6. She loves trolls and she loves notebooks and drawing, so that would be really great for her. All right, what is that?
Another pencil case? Oh, multiple. Wait, zipper pouches.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I'll take the garbage.
That's a lot of zipper pouches.
What is that?
Oh, it's like an accordion.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. What is it called? Let's see here. It's called a zipper accordion. You're right. Accordion zipper pouch.
And it has like handles. That's really cool.
It really is a rainbow. I want to see it. Share. What would you use this for?
Like it could be a pencil case and then.
Oh yeah, if you sorted it or different school supplies in here. Yeah, it's just super cool. What a clever idea. I haven't seen anything like that before.
Nope.
Medium notepad.
Yep.
Yeah, you can open it. Oh, okay. So then we got some troll specific sticker sheets for the planner. So these are long strips and we have more long strips and just cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at that one.
Oh, it has the same music note pattern.
Yeah, so fun. I love it. Okay, so you got
2 medium notepads.
And is there anything?
Here we go. And
here we go. And be true to you. Is they all the same sheets?
Yep.
That's cute. Yeah. Okay, let me move this. Put these over here. And we got a spring checklist. Oh, there's just some coloring pages. We will definitely give these to Jazzy. Oh, that's like an adult coloring. Color your own kaleidoscope.
Yeah.
Spring checklist. Water plants. Have a picnic. Make a fun playlist.
Puppy's party pack. Select a theme for your party. Send out fun invites. Decorate your goodie bags. Don't forget the games and turn up the music.
Fun.
And has tic-tac-toe and little records and CDs that you can put on there and connect the dots.
And one more. Trolls. Oh, it's a lined notebook for practicing handwriting.
And it has little picture spots and dates.
It's like for like having spaces to be creative or doing schoolwork. Oh, look, and it's perforated so you can tear out each page.
And a spiral.
Spot for a name. This is pretty great. And more stickers. It says, make your own magic. Get creative and have fun with your awesome new notebook. From writing to drawing, doodling, storytelling, and stickering too, how will you fill the pages of your very own book? That is awesome. And these, so on the back, and I don't know if there's a spot in the front, these are dry erase. So you can use dry erase markers on there. And then that's the back. Matches the front. Kids Notebook Story Journal.
Cute.
So cute. Yay. Well, that is a really good collection of stuff. I kind of want to keep the planner for myself.
I want the planner.
Well, we're going to have to figure it out. Yeah. So, it's pretty awesome though. And actually, I like so much of this stuff. This is all really fun. All right.
This plush is just so cute.
I know. Like, it's so cute that it's right from the scrapbook.
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching our unboxing with us. I hope you have a good day. Thanks. Bye.